Good evening, everybody. Good evening. My name is Kelvin Reed, and welcome to the journey to become wealthy. On today, the markets went crazy, right? The markets went crazy. I saw so many opportunities to make money today. I didn't make any because, of course, I'm out of day trades, right? If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw one of the plays that I was like, okay, I wish I can get into this, but I can't. I can't, right? I can't. So I know many of you have been following me, right? We be seeing the market. We have been watching the market get beat down all week for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, however long we've been watching. Been watching the markets get beat down. Well, today they made a major comeback, huge comeback, right? Now let's not look too deep into that, right? One day does not make a run up. It does not make a run up, and we don't want to get caught. Um, Underestimating the markets or the hedge funds because they'll pump this joker up just so they can tank it on you on Monday, right? Or just so many people been running puts. A lot of puts expired on today. If people were running puts and they didn't sell today before their expiration, those puts are now out of the money. That's why you guys see me. I'm day trading these things, right? Y'all see me hold them for maybe a couple hours, and usually I buy some early and I sell it later on. Puts. If people are holding puts today on the market, on the S&P or the Nasdaq or the Dow, think that it will go down today, and it made a huge recovery on today, they probably lost some money. They probably lost a lot of money. So you got to be careful with these things, right? You got to be careful. Definitely got to be watching. Got to get in, get out sometimes. And Monday, I mean, the market could go right back in tank all over again. So let's check this out. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got today. Let's see what happened. All right. So first we got the S&P 500 right here, up 2.48% in one day. We haven't seen this in a while. We have not seen this type of movement in a while. The Dow up 1.63% on the day now, on the day. But this does not overshadow the beatdown we've been taking for the past month. Because you guys saw with me, right? The SPY was down about what? 6%, I believe. The Dow was down about 7%. The Nasdaq majorly down 14% on the month. So let's not let this small run up today overshadow the major losses we've been taking. The Dow is up 1.63%. The Nasdaq is up 3.13%. It's in the lead. It's actually running the lead today. So I love to see that. I love to see that. Hopefully some of y'all may have did a day trade or something. The Hang Seng is actually down. So the Hang Seng is down 1.08%, while the United States markets pretty much ran up. See what the Russell's doing. The Russell is up 1.93%. Again, let's not let it overshadow, right? We just looked at it yesterday. It was down 14%. It gained about 2% back today. Almost 2% back today. So don't let one day overshadow. Do not get excited because of these, small green days, right? Because we have seen where at the end of the day or the very next trading day, the market tanks to all new lows, right? It gives everything back and more. So we want to be careful of this, right? Because I'm pretty sure there's many investors who got excited on today. They were buying and holding, and come Monday, they're going to be real sad. But us, because we know better, we've been buying while things were already low. We've been buying during the red. We were buying into the red, and we waited on this run up. Maybe we took some profit today. Maybe we didn't, right? I haven't sold anything today. Again, I had a busy day. But for those of you who did, congratulations. I hope y'all won some money, made some money. Let's check out the stock market heat map, right? And Microsoft up 2.81% from what we saw the other day. Nice. Apple up 6.98%. Major run back up. And we know that Apple, I'm pretty sure that Apple is what pushed the SPY up because, SPY has a large holding in Apple. So the Apple runs up, the SPY has runs up with it. They usually push the SPY up. So that's 6.98%. That's major, right? That's major. Adobe up 5.09%. I know we had a piece of that a while ago. I got out of mine. Let's go down to our financials. That's our tech sector, right? Tech sector looking green. Financial sector looking flat, actually. We have Wells Fargo right here only up 0.80%. Bank of America up 0.88%. What's this? Let's see. PayPal up 3.42%. Again, I need it to run all the way back up. I need that to run back up. I love to see it though. We have Morgan Stanley up 0.64%, and we have Goldman Sachs up 1.75%. So a lot of these, they made a small recovery, but they have definitely not recovered as much as what they lost over the past couple of weeks. So let's keep going. Hopefully on Monday, maybe we continue to see green days. Maybe we see some red. Maybe people start taking their profits out of. It was a fake out, another bull trap, right? The market pushed itself up, made investors happy for a short time, only to bring it back down and put us back in the red. Google is up 3.37%. Facebook up 2.40%. Communication sector green. Healthcare green. Pfizer steady going back up towards that $56 range for those of you who want to play that one. Health consumer cyclical. Amazon back up 3%. Bible even went up, and we already know that's in that Chinese sector, up 3%. JD up 3.99%. Amazon, Tesla up 2.08%, up to 846. So if you guys saw it yesterday, it was at 829. Maybe you guys jumped in that. Again, I'm waiting on mine to come below this $800 mark now. I think I'm waiting on it because it's steady going down. I don't see any reason why it might be coming up, right? I don't see any reason. Energy sector was actually red on today. ExxonMobil up 0.21%. It didn't take any major losses. Chevron Corporation down 3.52%. But however, we've been seeing them win for the past couple weeks while everything else was beat down. So this is fine with us. This is fine. We may have seen today a small rotation of some funds, right, into these other sectors from the energy sector. Real estate is looking green, basic materials looking green, and consumer defense is looking green. Walmart up 1.24% on today. Costco up 2.05%. Target up 2.59%. So we're seeing a lot of green, right? We're seeing a lot of green. However, one green day does not determine the momentum for the next few days. We got to keep watching. We got to be careful. Let's check out the crypto heat map. Bitcoin up 2.29%. Loving it. Ethereum up 6%. Ethereum it's popping. It's ready to run. I need it to run. Keep running. Cardano's up 1.88%. Mana's up 5%. Again, I told you guys, average down into that joke. It's going to come back. All of these are eventually going to come back. However, I am still looking for some more red days now. This thing's not over, right? This bloodbath's not over. Sandbox up 6.62%. Crow up 6.2%. Sheep up 2.47%. Doge up 1.41%. People are actually trading Doge. I mean, Doge has been going up and down. That leads me to believe people are actually trading Doge, man. Look at the volume on the 24-hour volume is $495 million. So people are actually trading it. That's crazy. And Sheeb apparently. I mean, people are trading it. Look at Sheeb, $526 million trades. So people are trading crypto like crazy apparently. They're not trading as much as they are Bitcoin and Ethereum if you guys see those numbers, but they definitely trading these coins. So y'all, and Mount and Sandbox. So look at Sandbox. That's 1 trillion trades in volume in the past 24 hours. So people are definitely trading these NFTs and these crypto. So hopefully you guys are making money on that, whether it's the crypto market or the stock market. Just be sure to make money. So let's check out this news though. Again, I told y'all it was a nice run up today. Some stocks made some money. I posted a little call option that I wanted to do, but I didn't want to go into the weekend holding it because again, Monday this thing could tank. It'll put me up, but again, it doesn't matter. I didn't make that money because I couldn't get into it. I did do a short put option, but again, I gotta hold it because I anticipate the market going back down Monday. If I could have sold it today, I was up probably at $200, but I couldn't sell it, right? So I may end up losing money on that on Monday if the market continues to run. If the market comes back down like I expect it to, I'm gonna be winning. But we'll see, right? We shall see. I don't know why. Something about greed. It can hurt you or you can win. We'll see on Monday though. And of course, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna share everything. You gotta take the wins with the losses. We won enough to where I'm basically giving the house money back. I won about $500 off that one company this week. Hey, if I lose that $500, just believe I plan on making it back next week. So the stocks rally, erasing losses from a turbulent week. The S&P 500 rose 2.4%, its biggest one-day jump since June 2020, but some analysts cautioned against reading too much into a single day's bounce. Y'all hear me, right? Y'all heard me. Wall Street finally found a foothold on Friday, rebounding from days of back-to-back declines with its biggest gain in 18 months as investors grabbed onto glimmers of good news. A strong earnings report from Apple and data on wage growth that came in lower than expected. The S&P 500 rose 2.4%, its biggest one-day jump since June 2020. So this is definitely good news, though. This wage growth that came in lower than expected. That means that the actual employment market may not be as strong as they expected. So interest rates may not be as high as the Feds initially thought they could push them. So that may be good news for some of us. We'll see. The S&P 500 rose 2.4%, its biggest one-day jump since June 2020, while the technology-heavy NASDAQ composite rose 3.1%. Friday's gain snapped a 3-day streak of losses and left the S&P 500 up 0.8% for the week, its first weekly gain this year. We on the last week of the month, right? Crazy. The rally came relatively late in the day and was a remarkable shift in tone after stocks had fallen in early trading and struggled to hold on to gains in the afternoon. Stocks zigzagged between gains and losses every day this week as investors tried to assess how quickly the Federal Reserve is likely to raise interest rates to combat inflation. Economists are virtually certain that the central bank will start increasing interest rates in March, but the question now is by how much and how often will they do so. So this is crazy. Like I said, that wage growth that came in lower than expected. I mean, it's not really good news for the lower making people, or I guess impoverished individuals. I mean, that's actually, many of us are still considered to be poverty level, right? But for the impoverished, wage growth that came in lower than expected is not good news for the people itself. But as far as the stock market and what the Feds intend to do, because the wage growth came in lower, they still have to help the people first. They cannot increase interest rates on us, the people, seeing that we haven't been getting paid as we should or as expected. So this is some news that could potentially push us back into some green on next week. So we may actually have more green next week. But Apple's earnings report definitely is what's going to run the market for this week. So you guys just be ready and watch for that. That's really what I got for you today, seeing that today was a crazy day, right? Hopefully next week we can make some money together. I'm going to actually I think this weekend, if possible, I may try and set up to teach you guys a little bit more about options and kind of reading charts, but we'll see about that. And we want to just kind of do some more financial literacy type things, right? So that's what we can look forward to this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Crypto, again, it may run up all through the weekend. So for those of you who enjoy trading or maybe just want to make some trades, you guys keep your eyes on that. Of course, I'm going to keep my eyes on it. If I see anything I like, I'll be posting it on Instagram. So y'all make sure y'all follow my Instagram. Just really, I'll be keeping my eye out. It's the weekend again, though. I know many of you guys had a long week. Make sure to get some rest. Make sure to get some rest because that's important as well on your journey to become wealthy, right? You got to be your health is wealth. Health is wealth. So you guys do not go out here stress yourself out over a few red days. Maybe you buy and forget about it. Do not stress yourself out over a few red days. Make sure you get some rest this weekend. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all have a good night.